Hey, it's Frank Torelli. The other day I did a video where I unpackaged this Winchester 1906 that I ordered online, and we opened it up together and looked at it for the first time, and it's kind of an old piece of junk like I was expecting, but my goal is to get it functioning and hopefully be able to shoot it. Today I want to actually look inside the bore with a bore scope through a camera and see what's in there. I've looked in it with a flashlight and I see nothing but dirt and grime and dust. But now I want to take a closer look with the bore scope and see what the hell's going on. Alright, I readjusted the camera and I got my $20 endoscope. Hopefully we can see the image on the laptop, but here it goes. We're going to see what is the mystery inside this old bore. Look at all that crap. I don't even know what that is. Is that a bug? Does this thing have termites in it? I can't even get the bore scope in there. Alright, I pushed it in and pulled it back a little bit. It's like the bore scope's going to be a plunger. I would say by definition that looks like a sewer pipe so far. Horrible, horrible. Can't even recognize what that is. Just dirt and dust and look at it. I'm using the end of the camera. I have total blockage. Alright, let me try going in through the receiver. But I only got it in there a couple inches and it's total blockage. This ain't working out too good. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going in through the receiver. It looks like you can see some faint lines of what may have been rifling at one point in time. Just grease, dirt, carbon, but there is definitely some distinct worn out rifling. I'm going to try and reach the blockage that I encountered when I went in through the front. So I was wondering if this was going to be a barn find, but I just think I found garbage. This looks like a good candidate, maybe to put a lead line on here. I've never done that before. I've seen people do it with a hand drill. What do I got to lose, right? Look at this, it's a mess anyway. I don't see anything that even resembles any sort of rifling. This is like Journey to the Center of the Earth. That was a good show. I'm pushing something. There's a piece of dirt I'm pushing down. So there's that blockage that I encountered. Yeah, maybe a mud dauber got in there and made a nest. It looks like rocks, dirt. Where was this thing stored at? Alright, Well, one challenge is going to be to get that block out of there. So let's see how deep I was in there. So it's somewhere near the front. So you can kind of see how deep the scope was in there. And I would say it's towards the front for sure. Anyway, more garbage, more junk. I guess I'll use this as my before video, and then hopefully be able to clean it up and see what it looks like once it's cleaned. I'll give you an update as soon as I have better information to share.